My favourite part about Access Course Online are my tutors. I submit my final outcomes and I always ask for feedback from them, and they build my confidence up so much, and I'm really appreciative of their suggestions as it improves my work, and hopefully again it builds my ability to actually produce some artwork I'm actually proud of. So I thank my tutors massively, and that's why I like Access Courses Online, and I can go at my own pace. Thank you. Other students considering on Access Online Courses, I would highly recommend, because it's stress-free. There are fantastic videos on YouTube that the tutors produce for you. The support is fantastic and feedback is amazing, which helps you along the way. And when I say stress-free, you know you've got tasks to complete, but you yourself have to complete them in a reasonable time in order to actually complete the course at the end date. I would recommend Access Course Online to any of my friends because of many reasons, but mainly the support that you get from your tutors just pushes you along and builds your confidence as you go along throughout the tasks, which means a massive amount, especially for a mature student like myself, when you're thinking back to people who are studying this at probably teenage, early 20s. But for myself, starting at 50 to do this, it's been a bit of a confidence booster, and I'm really glad I did it, and I would recommend it to anybody. Like I said, it all comes down, I feel, to the course tutors. And also as well, the structure of the course as well online. The website is easy to manoeuvre around, and I get feedback straight away. It's amazing. So I would highly recommend to any of my friends the Access Online course. Thank you.